Hey guys, this is part 2. We're cooking the crabs and eating them.
Yeah, we're gonna. This is guys. My mom, my dad. He's putting the boiling water. That's boiling hot. And guys, this is my first time trying crab, so this is gonna be exciting. Anything to say, Daddy, to nuestros fans?
Very expensive.
Yeah, guys.
A lot of money.
Yeah, these were
the big ones.
Yeah, bro, they were $57. Look it. You guys, if you guys think we're lying, oh, I think Esteban threw away the tag. Whoa, Daddy, no.
Oh, this is our Gatorade. Our Gatorade is here. The Gatorade is here.
Go, guys, we're gonna drink some Gatorade and cook up some crab.
Our crab is right here.
Oh, the price is still on.
Boiling hot. Por eso creo que ya no
57
porque el gato podía ser para la truca naranjada.
So, guys, $57 for those dumb crabs. Gotta believe it.
But there's a big one, that's why.
And they're white belly crabs. So, I'm gonna pause this and take out the baby crab.
Ya puede aquí comer. Que tengo hambre.
Guys, we're taking out the crabs. So,
Such a dumb one. Why don't you get a spoon?
You don't know. Oh my goodness.
You don't know if they will bite you. Just get this thing. Okay. The real ones.
Oh my goodness. Guys.
¿Los matan? ¿O no, amigos? Ya se les va a echar el agua caliente.
¿Ves ahorita cómo se
Pero
enamoran
nomás
ahí?
los pones en la agua.
Sí, los tienes que poner en el agua caliente. No en el agua caliente, ahorita.
Pero ponlos allá para que los
Pobrecitos, si supieran lo que les espera.
Y cuando lo pones en el agua, así es como...
Pones
así
aquí,
es como
¿ves? Para
se
que los
van
enjuagues.
moviendo.
Okay, guys. Wait, Daddy, I want to do this too.
Oh, the crabs are trying to get out.
Oh my Jesus Lord. Yo no quiero hacer esto. ¿Alguien más hágalo? Oh,
on.
guys, wait, guys. Oh, mira, you see?
They're big claws.
They can't pinch us. Tienen ligas, no nos pueden hacer nada. So,
Wait, which one is that one a girl?
No, look it. So, guys, si ellos tienen esta cosita, si ves, the little U.
That means he's a girl.
No, estas patas están quebradas, esta de acá. Si tiene esta U, that means it's a boy, but since it has like little like squares and then this little part and it's
I
super
cannot see
short,
anything.
that is a girl, and this is a girl too. So we got girls.
And we're boys. We're gonna eat poor little crabs that are girls.
Holy
And they're gonna
shoot.
die right now.
Let's see if you can do something, sucker.
You're gonna break their poor little legs. Come on.
Y lávala, no te pega.
Wait, move.
Okay, guys. So this is how to cook a crab with the chef Obed. So first thing you need to do, take out the sperm whales. Holy poop! That just scared me.
It's because it's hot.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, no! I don't want to do this anymore.
Oh my gosh. Look at them. Mira bien.
Papi, están peleando.
No! You're not a pro.
Oh, Ben, what are you doing?
No. Sorry, spermies. Ya se murieron. Mira, ese ya se hundó. Guys, they're all washed and clean. Gotta put the zipper back up in there.
Hot boiling water. It's time to put them in the...
Okay, guys, the next step is what you need to do is quitarles estas ligas.
Allá afuera?
Recycling, no, este es
Put it right here. Oh, here goes.
Ok, necesitamos un cuchillo para esto, pero yo no lo voy a hacer porque si no yo me voy a morir. Yo te grabo y ahora tú...
No, thank you. I'm not gonna do that.
Come on. Okay, Mom. I guess it's...
No le quites la liga todavía.
Eso no.
Hasta que lo vas a meter aquí, ¿no? No, ve.
No, se mete ya cuando está el agua, no se mete cuando está caliente. Lo pones adentro y luego esperas 10 minutos.
Pero espérate que esté más caliente el agua.
No, tiene que estar caliente. Nomás lo desechas con cualquier agua y luego tienes que esperar.
It needs to be cold, hot. Boiling hot.
No, babe, don't do that.
Poor little dogs.
No me estoy picando.
I feel. Guys, these crabs are super scary. Oh, mommy.
Cuidado con todas las manos.
Brinco.
Oh, shoot. Looks like the pinchers are now in action.
The big fat ones, though.
Mami, ¿a qué importa?
I mean, you're a pro and you're a girl. No wonder they're a girl.
No dejes que lo agarren, si no van a subirse así. Guys, the water is boiling.
No con mano.
No, mommy, no.
Con la tinta.
Mommy, you can't do that. I know.
Mami,
Daddy, you here?
se estaban peleando. Échale agua para que se calmen.
Wow. We need to eat them. Don't let them.
I think that's a boy, that's a girl. Because that one looks more white and small. That one looks bigger.
Yeah, because that one has like the line, like, do like spikier.
So guys, I think that's a boy, that's a girl.
Girl.
Okay, we're gonna pop it up. Sí, se mete así. Okay guys, we're putting them. Pero no, que no tengan las líneas. Ay no, pobrecito se va a morir. No, es que toque el piso. Guys, this is very mysterious. Esteban, get back. What if it falls down? Oh my goodness. ¿Los matamos o los ponemos así que se muera en el agua? Caliente. Oh my goodness. Pobrecito. Oh my god. Se está moviendo bien quedito. Oh my goodness, Layla. It's the second pincher in the duel.
Métela así, déjala.
Después de... Ya.
Mire, vas a quitar.
Tápalos ahora.
Whoa, yo soy un fotógrafo. Whoa, that pincher is big.
And fat. No wonder that's how he fights.
Boom. Okay, guys, we're gonna pause it, and you just need to wait 10 minutes, and then we'll see you when we're done. Guys, that's all you need to do. Wait for 10 minutes. So, guys, we're gonna end this video and make another one when we're trying it, because we don't, yeah.
You don't know if they don't work or something like that.
Okay.
So while we're waiting, let's drink our Gatorade, right? And then after we're drinking our Gatorade, which one, what cup do you want?
Any.
Take the one that you want. You want this one?
That one.
This one has more space for more. But there is some.
So, guys,
Poquito para él.
we'll be back eating our crabs.